This is an opportunity for the staff of the Bank of South Pacific in Samoa to donate much needed blood for the blood drive of the Samoa Red Cross Association, and it's especially very important during this period of the dengue fever outbreak in Samoa. We are grateful that we are able to continue this relationship with the Samoa Red Cross Association, and also very grateful to our staff who have come forward bravely to be able to participate in this drive this morning. Thank you.
Fa Samoa ia moli lang fa taitele ko se mumu moli fa ma internet lang ta ua ia manatu le foi na to le on nga so soni ai ia mo nei fa nau fa pena na fi el fa mai manatu ta sinne yang ta usilio nei ofisa ia ile so soni tanga ta hotel ole amana io ila to mo mi so soni fi tele ne por kana men nei ta ia tu ina tu tau au so soani ai mo ila to mana mia ia mana to fo ia fo elu toto ia wa so soani mo ila to mo mir so son after
give blood save lives,
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 donate blood save lives.